Houston's mosquito nightmare, a humid climate transformed into a breeding ground for pesky insects. In the wake of the devastating weather that has ravaged parts of the United States, particularly the southern region, the city of Houston in Texas finds itself facing an additional burden, a mosquito infestation of unprecedented proportions. Houston's notoriously humid climate has always made it a hospitable environment for mosquitoes, but the torrential rainfall and severe flooding brought by recent storms have transformed the city into an ideal breeding ground for these bothersome insects. Residents are expressing alarm at the sheer number of mosquitoes, with some claiming they've never witnessed such an infestation. Experts warn that the worsening climate crisis will only exacerbate the problem. The mosquitoes prevent me from enjoying the outdoors because I live near a bayou and can't even garden, laments Houston resident J.C. Patterson, 29. They're driving me nuts. Another Houston native, Morgan Young, 29, who now resides in Dallas, describes the mosquito situation as horrifying, terroristic, and gross. The recent storm that ravaged the region claimed 7 lives and caused extensive damage to homes and infrastructure, leaving the city grappling with widespread power outages. The standing water left behind by the floods has created a perfect haven for mosquitoes, which thrive in the warm, moist conditions. Houston's climate offers the ideal trifecta for mosquitoes: heat, humidity, and rain, explains Aaron Mordecai, an associate biology professor at Stanford University. The warmth accelerates their development and biting frequency, the humidity prevents them from drying out, and the rainfall provides ample standing water for egg laying. According to the Centers for Disease Control, CDC, mosquitoes typically live indoors or outdoors for 2 to 4 weeks. While mosquito bites commonly cause only redness, irritation, and itching at the bite site, these pests can also spread potentially deadly diseases such as malaria, dengue, Zika, and West Nile virus. Government agencies like the CDC play a crucial role in safeguarding public health from mosquito-borne illnesses. They serve as the first line of defense, providing essential information through outreach programs and collaborating with medical and environmental surveillance networks to detect potential outbreaks, states the CDC website. Despite the temptation to eradicate the mosquito problem completely, Mordecai emphasizes the ecological importance of mosquitoes. Bats, birds, and other insects rely on mosquitoes for sustenance, she explains. Male mosquitoes, which don't bite, serve as pollinators by feeding on flower nectar. For human residents, Mordecai recommends taking precautions to prevent mosquito bites. Apply insect repellent containing DEET, wear long sleeves and pants, and stay indoors, especially during dawn and dusk, she advises. Additionally, maintaining pools and ponds, installing screens on windows and doors, and eliminating standing water in containers can help mitigate the mosquito population. As Houston grapples with the aftermath of the devastating storm and the relentless mosquito infestation, residents and experts alike are left to ponder the challenges and consequences of a changing climate and the need for proactive measures to protect public health and well-being.